Hi everybody. So for tonight's homework, we are going to be doing a little bit of extra practice of what we worked on today in class. So we are going to be calculating our straight commission. And as you can see, I did make a little mistake here. I wrote straight time pay, which is what we already worked on when we were talking about our hourly rate. And we are moving on to straight commission instead. So we're just going to jump into it and get started. So it says Bonnie Heisey sells clothing. Her commission rate is 7.5%. Last month, her sales were $10,875. What was her commission? So in order to calculate commission, we do have to remember our formula. So our formula for commission is total sales times our commission rate. So the nice thing about these problems is that they really give us everything that we need. So first thing we need to look for is our total sales. We are given two numbers, 7.5% and 10,875. So we should remember that for our total sales, we are looking for the amount that has a dollar sign. Dollar sign tells us how much she made in sales. So for total sales, we're going to be putting 10,875. Then for our commission rate, we always associate the word rate with a percent sign. So that's kind of our giveaway. Now, we should remember that when it comes to rate, we cannot leave it as a percent. We can't just plug in 7.5 and say we're done. We have to take that percentage, and in order to use it in the formula, it needs to turn into a decimal. So we're going to get rid of our percent sign because it's no longer a percent. We're going to take the decimal they gave us and move it 2 places to the left. So once, now it's here. Twice, now it's here. As you can see, we have an empty spot, which we all know we have to put in a 0. So our new decimal looks like this, 0.075. That is the rate that we're going to use. And that's it. So everything else, we're just going to plug it into our calculator. Okay, here we go. So we have 10,875 times 0.075, and our final answer, here we have 815.625. We can never have more than 2 numbers after the decimal point, and there are 3, so that means we will have to round this. So let's look at these 3 numbers after the decimal point. We have 6, 2, and 5. Only one of these is in the 100th place. That would be our number 2. We look at our next door neighbor, which is a 5. And because that 5 is 5 or more, we must raise the score. So that 2 that we underlined can no longer say a 2, but has to turn into a 3. And that is our answer. Let me just actually add a little dollar sign. This is how much commission she will make. Okay, last one. Jeanette Evans is a real estate agent who earns 5.5% commission. Last month, her sales were $250,000. What was her commission? Okay, so once again, we are going to use our formula. Let's just copy and paste to make our life easy. Oh, no, not copy. We just want to copy. All right, let's bring it down here. All right, so total sales, if we take a look at this problem, our total sales is going to be $250,000. Our rate is going to be 5.5%, but of course, that is now going to be turned into a decimal. So let's just zoom in here. Let's get rid of the percent symbol. Let's take the decimal that they gave us and move it not once, but twice, adding in a 0 in the front. So 0.055 is our decimal. I'm going to plug that in. Oh, I'm sorry. And there we go. We have our 2 numbers, everything we need. Calculator does the rest. So 250,000 has enough zeros, I believe, times 0.055, final answer, no rounding necessary, 13,750. And there we go. That is our final answer. Okay, that's it for tonight, guys. And we're going to continue working on this tomorrow.